everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix YouTube verification code not received. For that, first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and toggle airplane mode on and off and try receiving the verification codes again. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to YouTube, force close the app from your app drawer and open up YouTube again. If that does not work, what you can do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, you can simply tap on apps and then tap on YouTube, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of YouTube and try again. If that too does not work, you may have blocked YouTube from your messages or emails. For that, simply open up messages on your device, tap on your profile at the top right of your screen and then tap on spam and blocked. Make sure that the message has not ended up here. The other thing that you must do is head over to Gmail or email of your choice and then tap on the three lines at the top left of your screen and then head over to the spam folder. Make sure that the email has not landed up here either. If all of these boxes check out, then you may have tried to request the code too many times and you may have run out of options. In that case, you'll have to wait for 24 to 48 hours and request a call instead of a message or email verification. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.